Shamrocks, and it is Happy St. Patrick's Day at Mighty Maids in Chicago. There's a Christmas tree that has St. Patrick's Day stuff on it. What are you doing? I know, and he moves too. He's like the Lucky Charms leprechaun. I won't even do an Irish accent, but I like the fact that it comes from the ceiling too. I just like that. And so, this is how the North Side does it. It's okay. It's all good. The wearing of the green. A nation once again, and go home, British soldiers, go on home. I like my
Don't
rebel
sing the
music.
copyright song.
I like my rebel song, my rebels Irish rebel songs.
You'll get copyright.
Copyright or copy wrong?
Copyright.
Copycat.
Copyrighted you'll get copyrighted if you sing that song. And if you post that video on YouTube.